Dankwa Anin. Dankwa Anin, 27 July 1928 – 24 October 1999, was a foreign minister of Ghana in the Second Republic. He died in 1999. He was the first foreign minister to be appointed in the Progress Party government by Dr. Kofi Abrefa Busia, the Prime Minister of Ghana. He served for a few months and was replaced by Victor Owusu. He was reappointed later the same year and held the position for 2 years. Anin served on a 5-man presidential commission into bribery and corruption in 1970. He also served as a Supreme Court judge from 1980 after having been nominated by President Limann. He died on 24 October 1999. Works: Anin, Dankwa, 1991. The role of the judiciary in the promotion and protection of human rights, the Gambian experience. African Journal of International and Comparative Law. 3 4 771 784.